Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Prezi. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix TikTok not letting you follow me. So if you are finding it difficult to follow people on TikTok, this video is for you. What I need to do now is to go to your Play Store and update your TikTok app. You make sure your TikTok app is up to date. If you are using an iPhone, you can still go ahead and update it on your app store. As you can see, my TikTok is updated. If not, this open should have been showing me update. So my TikTok is up to date. So now the next step I need to take is to go to my phone setting. On my phone setting, I need to look for app management, then app setting, then I'll look for TikTok. Look for TikTok. Yeah, it's my TikTok. And I click on storage and cache. As you can see, storage and cache. Then I clear my cache. On the bottom of your screen, you can see clear cache. Clear cache. My cache is now cleared. The third step I need to take now is to go to my TikTok account, my TikTok app. Then all I need to do now is to go to my profile. On the bottom of my screen, you can see the profile icon. Then you click on it. Then now you click on the three line on the right hand corner of your screen. You can see the three line on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, then tap on settings and privacy. Then look for free up space. Then you clear cache. Then my cache is now cleared up. The next step I need to take now is to click on report a problem. Report a problem. Search for an issue and you type in what your problem is. But here you can see suggested problems like top search. See, follow and unfollow users. Click on that one. Then unable to follow a user, click on it. Then you can now go down and click no. Click on no. So that's it. TikTok will send you a notification that you can now follow back. You can now follow people on TikTok. So guys, if you found this video useful, please do well to click the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys.